iQOO is gearing up to officially unveil the Neo 11 Ultra in China on August 18th. It will be available in light white, shadow black, and wind chaser finishes. Feature a 3D dynamic texture on the rear panel. The Neo 11 Ultra will have a metal frame with a matte finish and measure 9.13 mm in thickness. Weighing in at 225 grams, the device will launch with a flat 6.83-inch display with a 144Hz refresh rate. It will offer 1000 nits full-screen brightness and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor, an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. The device is powered by a custom MediaTek Dimensity 9500M processor, up to 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. Smartphone with a 50MP main camera and an 8MP ultra-wide shooter. Packs a massive 9100 mAh battery paired with 100W wired fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.